How to clear all contact data on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first as usually in the open your snap. Then when your snap is opening guys, you will go here on your profile icon. Then open it. After this, go to settings and open it. Then you will have a long list on settings. You will go down and go to contact syncing. Open it, then go to delete all contacts. You will click on delete all contacts that they will say if you are sure to delete your contacts data. You will say yeah and you will confirm like this, and that's it. Now you delete all your contact data. So see you next video.